Hello friends, welcome to this podcast. I'm Anand, today's host. I hope you all are doing well. Today's episode will help you find the best CCTV installation company in Kolkata. When it comes to your safety and security, they must concentrate to their workers and the qualities of the cameras. There's no doubt that this company plays an important role in everyone's life in this century, as they all know we faces many violent problems in our office surface as well as domestication. As their company is one of the reputed companies of CCTV surveillance, we used to take professional worker for the setting of all cameras. They trust them because they proven them already in their work field. More than 20,000 cameras has been sold by our company all over Kolkata with best and guaranteed quality. They basically work as a team of CCTV installation with accreditation in public practice. For more information, you can visit http://www.eye-survillance.com. You can contact them or you can send mail.